Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Step 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. The first step is understanding affiliate marketing. Basically, you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. Step 2. Choosing affiliate programs. Now, instead of focusing on VPNs specifically, let's talk about finding the right affiliate programs in general. Look for programs that offer recurring commissions and have a good reputation. Step 3. Researching trending topics. Here's a cool trick. Use a free AI tool like Google Gemini to discover trending topics people are searching for. You can filter by country, date, and even specific niches. Step 4. Creating eye-catching visuals. Next, create an eye-catching image related to your chosen topic using a free design platform like Canva. Step 5. Finding existing content. Look for existing content like YouTube videos related to your chosen topic. This will give you a good starting point for your own content. Step 6. Generating content with free tools. Here's another free tool tip. Use a platform like ChatGPT to generate a blog post based on your chosen topic. Step 7. Publishing your content. Choose a platform like Medium to publish your blog post. Make sure to include your affiliate link strategically within the content, and don't forget a clear call to action. Bonus tip: faceless YouTube videos. While blog posts are great, consider creating faceless YouTube videos to further promote your affiliate links. You can leverage free tools to grab thumbnails from existing videos. Remember, this is just a starting point. There are many ways to leverage affiliate marketing and free tools to generate passive income. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll dive deeper into different strategies. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like to see covered. Include a disclaimer here stating you are not affiliated with any of the tools mentioned and that the results may vary.